while you look, you come up. You know I'm coming. I'm gonna just say ready, and you know I'm coming. Ready? Why? Okay. You're looking at them. You should be looking at me. Okay. You get a little more pressure right here. That's right. And I'm supposed to. That way, all you, if you meant to pick up the woman, all she has to do is focus on her move. Okay? Focus on your move. If I go right, I have to be under you. Your wrist. Your elbow. Okay? Men have to be under this one. You can't be on top. It's awkward. Here. Now, you can't be like this with your legs straight. You have to actually be legs open. Okay? 1, 2. Okay, so men. 1, 2, 3. Up. Okay? Except the men won't be lifting their leg. They'll just go 1, 2, 3, up. Okay, now they will move a little. Okay? But your position is this. Their position is all this. Everyone is supposed to take a line. Alright? Let me see. Alright. Grab you. Give me some strength. There you go. Okay. Lock that arm. Like that. Right? Yeah. Important for them to lock that arm. Not this one. That one. Okay. Okay. Here. Yeah. Now see how you're two. Okay. You are just like this. Come on. Women, put your leg like this. Okay. Now how do you know that you're bending right? The leg is small. It's all this that's coming down. Okay, so yeah. Okay. Now come up. I just grab you. You grab me. 1, 2. No. 1. No. Your arm. Make sure it's under mine. Ready? 1, 2. Here. Yeah. That was it. Was that it? That was it. All right. You did it. Yeah. You did it. Dory or whatever her name is. Dory. All right. You don't have to lock this one, but this one needs to be locked. Okay. So 1. Now it needs to only be locked when you get ready to jump. Okay. Remember the arm. See how your arm is not bent? I mean your arm is bent? Yes. You have to do like that so I can be under. Ready? No, it's not under. I gotta be under. Yeah. So men, think of it this way. When I get ready to come up to this person and I grab them, I'm under them. They have to be on top. Here. Okay? So if I come and grab you, don't think about locking his arm first. I grab you, here. You let go of his arm. Doesn't go right, let go again. Right, and you should be jumping. Okay? Oh. Okay, ready? No. 1, 2. You're not jumping. And my leg was like. And this leg, that leg was fine. This leg should come up. Everybody. Okay. Ready? 1, 2. Now, you got to grab that waist. Maybe if I grab that waist a little more, here. If I grab that waist. Now, once I'm doing this with her hand, but once I get ready for the lift, I'm not worried about her hand. Actually, it'd be better for you, ladies, not to worry about the hand either. To come off the hand onto the wrist.